Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials. Your device runs One UI, you're signed into your Samsung account, and you've already registered at least one fingerprint. Once done, open the Galaxy Store, install GoodLock, then launch GoodLock. Make sure GoodLock shows compatible modules for your One UI version. This is why you update first. Now tap the module that controls lock screen or fingerprint visuals. We'll use that next to pick or install a theme. You're in the right module now. Tap its fingerprint or lock screen settings to see themes and animations. Preview each option. The preview shows where the animation appears and how it reacts. Once you pick a style, use the customization controls to change color, size, or activation behavior. These tweaks ensure the effect fits your wallpaper and ergonomics. If the module supports downloads, install additional packs directly. Make sure to save or apply changes, so the new theme. Apply the selected theme, then lock the phone and test by placing your finger on the sensor. You should see the new animation or icon. If recognition or placement feels off, re-enroll the fingerprint from settings to align the scanner with the visual. If the animation does not appear, make sure GoodLock and the module are updated, then force stop the module, clear its cache, and reapply the theme. If issues persist, reboot the phone and test again. That resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.